Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Margrove Road in Salford M6 to show you this lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway to the front along with lovely mature gardens. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway which leads it straight on at the end through to the modern fitted kitchen just through here. Then we've got the bay fronted lounge just off the hallway as well, which leads on to an additional reception room just through here. At the rear of the property there is a huge tiered garden complete with later lawn grass, mature plants and paving as well, stretching all the way up to the top of this plot. Be great for families and avid gardeners as well. The property is in a really popular location within walking distance of Light Oaks Primary School, easy access of Salford Royal Hospital, along with being close to excellent transport links through to Salford Quays, Media City and through to Manchester City Centre as well. As we head back towards the hall, upstairs you'll find 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, with third bedroom just through here, benefiting from views of that lovely garden at the rear. Second bedroom, which is a good sized double. Main bedroom at the front, benefiting from that bay window. And then we've got a wet room style bathroom as well to the front. The property benefits from being just a stone's throw from Light Oaks Park as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.